Imagine one single day where you're surrounded by reefing legends, groundbreaking coral techniques, and the latest innovations in saltwater aquarium hobby. A place where knowledge flows like the ocean current and your reef tank dreams become a reality. On November 1st, 2025, that day becomes real because Coral Freaks 2025, a Reefers audience with, is coming back to the UK. This year's lineup is absolutely stacked, featuring Julian Sprung, Corey Coralhead Treadwell, Salem Clemens, Jamie Craggs, and yes, me, Tony Vargas. Plus, it's all hosted by one of the UK's most beloved reefing influencers, the Yorkshire Reefer, Stefan. You have to love reefing. But this event isn't just about reef tanks, it's about making a difference. With every ticket sold, £5 will be donated to the Minds Charity Foundation, supporting mental health, awareness, and care. And to make it even more exciting, I'm personally donating a gold edition copy of my book, The Coral Reef Aquarium Volume 2, to be raffled off at the event. So grab your copy and bring it down with you because I'll also be signing books throughout the day. Stick around because I'm breaking down why Coral Freaks 2025 will be the most inspiring, educational, and unforgettable reefing event of the year, and how attending can take your reef tank to the next level. Events like Magna, Reefapalooza, Reefstock, and even the latest one in Italy, Aquaria Italia, have shown just how powerful it is when our reefing community comes together. But Coral Freaks is something truly unique, smaller, more intimate, and laser-focused on education, inspiration, and direct access to the world's leading reef keepers. This year's theme, a Reefers audience with, just like last year, and it really lives up to its name. You just won't hear from the legends, you interact with them, ask questions, and learn hands-on techniques that you can bring home to your reef tank. Let's start with the man who literally wrote the book on reef keeping, Julian Sprung, founder of Two Little Fishies and author of the legendary 3-volume series, The Reef Aquarium. Julian's contributions shaped the very foundation of our hobby. From coral placement strategies to advanced reef tank chemistry, Julian's insights are like gold for both beginners and advanced reef hobbyists alike. This is your chance to learn directly from one of the greatest minds in reef keeping. Next is Corey Coralhead Treadwell, the diving force at White Corals, a beautiful coral farm in Germany, working closely with NYOS Aquarium Systems and ATI, makers of the Straton LED light fixtures, some of the most advanced reef lighting systems in the world. Representing the next generation of reefing greatness is Salem Clemens. Formerly part of Reef Builders, Salem is known for his fresh ideas and modern reef methodologies, working currently on bacteria. Very interesting subject. Let's hear from him at this conference. Few people have done as much for the future of reef keeping as Jamie Craggs, curator at the Horniman Museum and Gardens. His groundbreaking research on captive Acropora spawning and coral breeding is revolutionizing how we protect wild reefs and grow corals sustainably in captivity. And finally, I will be also one of the guests. I'll be sharing advanced reef keeping strategies that have helped reef hobbyists worldwide. I'm also proud to be back at this venue where last year we gave David Saxby the most amazing award of all time, and also we got him to tear up a little bit. So I'm very excited to be back again at this venue, and thank you guys for having me a second time. In addition, I'll be signing copies of my book throughout the event, so bring yours with you. And don't forget to enter the raffle for that gold edition of the Coral Reef Aquarium Volume 2, a one-of-a-kind collector's piece. Here's a snippet from last year's at the awards ceremony.
I am a coral freak. Lifetime Aquarist Award for services to the Reef Aquarium hobby, presented to David Saxby, 2024.
Congratulations, David. Now, keeping this event flowing smoothly is Stefan, the Yorkshire Reefer, one of the UK's top reefing influencers. His passion, humor, and deep knowledge of saltwater aquariums make him the perfect host to connect the audience with the lineup of world-class guests. I want to give a heartfelt and personal thank you to Paul and Angela Hughes. Coral Freaks is more than just a show. It's a dream that would have never seen the light of day without the two of you. Your passion, vision, and relentless dedication has brought something truly special to life. Not just for me, but for the entire reefing community. Paul and Angela, you didn't just make this event happen, you built a space where knowledge is shared, friendships are made, and the beauty of our oceans are celebrated. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for believing in this dream and turning it into a reality we can all be proud of. You just won't hear from the legends of the reefing community. You'll actually get the opportunity to interact and be part of the excitement. You'll be able to ask questions and learn hands-on techniques that will help you with your reef aquarium. Reef keeping is more than a hobby. It's therapy. And that's why I'm so proud that £5 of every ticket sales will go directly to the Minds Charity Foundation, supporting mental health programs and services. When you attend Coral Freaks 2025, you're not just investing in your tank, you're helping others find balance, healing, and hope. This event is about connecting with fellow hobbyists, connecting with reef legends, connecting with the future of our hobby. Whether you keep a nano tank or a 500-gallon SPS coral reef, Coral Freaks 2025 will inspire you to push your reef tank further than ever before. Some of the topics that may come up will be from reef tanks troubleshooting to lighting optimization, fragging, and questions and answer session. You'll leave with knowledge you simply can't get online. So, mark your calendars for November 1st. Coral Freaks, a Reefers audience with, will be the UK's most exciting reefing event of the year. With every ticket, you're supporting Minds Charity. You'll have the chance to win a gold edition of the Coral Reef Aquarium Volume 2, and you can even bring your copy for a personal book signing. So smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my full Coral Freaks coverage. And in the comments, tell me, which speaker are you most excited to meet this year? I'll see you at Coral Freaks 2025. Let's make reefing history together. So until then, you have to love reefing.